Let it go. Hi, I'm Sean, and this is North Florida Saltwater Fishing. Hop aboard and ride with me out to the end of the jetties, where we can enjoy another beautiful St. Augustine morning. We support the channel by leaving a like, sharing this video, and subscribing to the channel. Now all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy the video. Good morning, welcome to today's video. What I decided to do this morning, I get a whole day to fish. This never happens. So I'm gonna fish both tide changes at the jetties. Maybe poke my head back in the creek, see what's going on back there. I'm gonna throw some live shrimp and some mud minnows. And let's see where that gets us. Hey, Sean. Oh, I think I got a shark. Wait, maybe not. Woo! I don't know. That's an awful steady tug for a shark. Oh yeah, God, I hope I got that. Oh yeah, woo! Right, baby, woo! Oh yeah, oh, and he's gone. Yo! Well, that was fun. I'd like to know what I had. Damn! Oh, son. Hope I got some of that on video. Whew! That was fun. Get your blood pumping. Destroyed my tackle. Yeah, this 2500 wasn't any match for him. But that was fun. Got the blood rushing, but it also tells me I got to probably gear up a little bit, or I'm not going to get any of these fish in the boat today. Dang, I wish I knew what that was. Oh well. We're going to have to tighten down the drags and winch them in the boat best we can, I guess. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, it turns out I couldn't get anything past the sharks. Lost 3 more fish, never saw them. So decided to head back to the creeks. Here I'm throwing on some mullet. And you're getting ready to witness something that in 56 years on this planet has never happened to me. Wait for it. See the little shrimp I'm trying to pick up? And yep, that's me in the water. See that little shrimp right there? I had 6 dozen shrimp in the live well, and I just felt the need to rescue that one. 1 foot on the wet, so-called non-skid, where I didn't have sea deck, and I was in the water before I knew it. I'm just glad this happened back here in the creek as opposed to out at the jetties. For one, the current's a lot stronger out there, and I don't really want to end up being anyone's lunch. So, I hope you guys are getting as big a laugh out of this as I did when I was editing it. Sure enough, wasn't laughing at the time. I was a little bit put out. Thoroughly embarrassed. My self-inflated life jack worked perfectly. Nice, big and yellow, so all the boats on the water, and there were several, could watch the dummy fall in the water and struggle climbing back up in his boat. I'm going to blame this on the fact that the second thing that I haven't done in 50 years, and I'm not a superstitious person, but I had a banana on the boat at the jetties this morning for breakfast. I'm guessing this is my reward. But I can laugh at myself. I am now. Obviously I wasn't then, but I hope you guys get a kick out of it. And maybe more importantly, we both learned a lesson. Don't take the calm water for granted. Watch where you step and be careful. That could have ended up being bad. Fortunately, I was able to snag my net, get it back, and I'll eventually make a throw, get a net full of mullet, toss them in the live well, head back in the creeks. Oh yeah. Got 'em, boys. Woo! That's bait. Fish on, boys. Ooh. This got a little weight to it. Oh, all right. Ooh. Oh, I need a little something. Got a little tug to him. Maybe I can get this one in. The sharks aren't up in here. Oh yeah, nice little red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I've been waiting for. That's right. Come on up here. This might be a slot, boys. This very well may be a slot. I don't think he's done yet. Oh, there he is. And oh, and got him. Right. Pretty fella. 19 inches. We all know what that means. He's going home for supper. Oh yeah, something else. Well, this feels like another one going home for supper, boys. Oh yeah. Oh, this might be a jack. I don't know. Got some pretty decent head shakes. Yeah. Oh wait, nope. It's another red. That's right. Come here, boy. Uh-oh. Double. Oh shit. Got a double. Woo. Let's get him in the boat. Woo. Let's get him in the boat. Might have lost that one. Nope, fish on this one too. Woo! That's right. Get him in the boat, boys. Get him in the boat. This one ain't got as much size. And it's not fighting like a red. Oh, I don't know. Oh, he just woke up. He just woke up. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Get this other red in here, boys. Oh, gosh, I got redfish everywhere. One on the floor, one on my line. Woo. That's right. Just think about that, boys. Doubled up. Phew. That's right. Well, I got so dang excited getting those two fish in at the same time that I forgot to put them on video after I caught them. I did manage to take a picture. The smaller of the two, look at that blue tail. It is just lit up beautiful. The one that's in the net, he joined his brother that I caught earlier in the bag, and those were the two I took home. I had a fantastic day on the water. And if nothing else, you sure enough can't say that it wasn't an exciting day on the water. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, tight lines, screaming drags, see you out there on the water.